In a small town, there lived a poor old man named Joseph. He had no family, no home, and barely enough food to survive. Every day, he sat near a bakery, hoping for some kindness. But people were always too busy to notice him. One evening, a young boy named Ryan saw Joseph shivering in the cold. He felt sad and decided to help. Ryan took his pocket money and bought Joseph a warm meal. Joseph's eyes filled with tears. "Thank you, young man," he said with a weak smile. Ryan didn't stop there. He told his father about Joseph. Together, they found him a small job in their shop. Joseph worked hard and soon earned enough to rent a tiny room. He was happy, not just because he had shelter, but because someone cared. Years passed, and Ryan grew up to be a successful businessman. One day, he faced a big financial loss. He felt hopeless. Just then, an old man knocked on his door. It was Joseph, now a respected businessman. He smiled and said, "Years ago, you helped me when I had nothing. Now, let me help you." With Joseph's support, Ryan rebuilt his business. He realized that one small act of kindness could change lives. Moral: a single act of kindness can create a chain of goodness. Never underestimate the power of helping others. What you give today will come back to you in unexpected ways.